Okay, so keeping your business running means keeping those doors open. And that means keeping those inquiries, responding to those quotes, and sending invoices out as quick as possible. We're probably getting quite a lot of quote requests, and they kind of go missing. If you're not sending them out as quick as possible, they're going to be talking to somebody else. So look, I'm going to show how I do it with Smash. And yeah, you might find this really helpful, so stick around. So look, what I do is I bring up Smash. When I've got an inquiry, here we go. Here's one for a wedding shoot. Actually, context, I don't actually do photos, but this is just a good example for you guys. So what I do is want to reply to that one. Let's make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see that. There you go. Great. Okay, I basically go from email. It scans that email. Just give it a second. Okay, brilliant. Now it's just pulled up my pricing package as I've set up, as you can see here. So it's a full day shoot, photo editing, and prints package. It's pretty good because if you look at what she's asking, so I found you for a friend's recommendation. I'm hoping you can help my partner and I get married in Byron in October. And they need a photographer for today. So look, and they've said they wanted a full day shoot, potential retouching final images, and they're interested in a few prints. Like that aligns to what the service offers. So this is all put in the pricing profile, and that's how that scans it and brings that pricing up. So I'm just going to show you. I'm not going to show you how you can send from the email and you use the payment portal. I just want to show you what the profile is. So look, if you look here, you can see what I've got here in my services. It's a full day photo shoot, half day photo shoot, photo editing, print packages, etc. This makes me really organized, and it's repeat services that I offer all the time, and it's just enough to get in front of somebody. So as soon as they want me to send them that quote, just an idea or even an estimate for pricing, I just jump in, like I just showed you, I generate that price and I send it off. So let's just go back to create quote. Here you go. That's great. So all I've got to do now is copy the email. That's it. Reply, and we're done. That's it. It's too easy, really. And there you go. Just to show you, it's even written a cover email for you. So if you're too lazy to type, there's so many more features packed in, and I'll show you in a couple other videos. Try it. It's called Smash Invoices, and it's absolutely free to try. Thank you. Nope. It's called Smash Invoices, and it's absolutely free to get started. Give it a go.